All right, we're back again with another rocket of the day. And today's rocket of the day is this crusty, dusty Gemini Titan that I like so much. I really love this rocket. It's a cool one. It does not have the original clear fin unit. These are black fins, but you need this to fly, and this is the best I could do. But this is the Gemini Titan. Very old kit. I believe these first came out. Estes had a big version of this way back in the days. Then they reduced the size, and it was coming out again in the 80s, if I'm not mistaken. I remember seeing it in the 80s. It could have been out before the 80s, but I remember seeing this kit in the 80s. A great flying rocket. It's a scale model of America's Gemini rocket, well, Gemini capsule on top of a Titan missile. And actually, if you check my archive videos, you'll see I went to the Titan Missile Museum in Tucson, Arizona. They take you down the silo. You can see the whole deal. It's a defunct rocket down in there. You can see that whole nice tour, pretty cool. You go down there, see the control panel, see the sleeping quarters, all that stuff with the old airmen. I believe they were airmen, were at that time, or missile men. So yeah, just a cool rocket, cool scale kit, old Estes. I was going to restore it, but I decided to keep this one, just to keep it as is. I just left it as it was. It's already ready to fly, so I left it. Let me see if we got a parachute in there. Yeah, no parachute in here. I think I took the parachute out and put it in another bird. But here's that Gemini capsule. You can see those two windows right there. Yep, you got United States down the side. On the missile version, it says Air Force. I think up in this part, because the nose cone's up high or the warhead's up high, and they got Air Force up high. But on here, it has United States here. But yeah, just a cool flying rocket. Really stable. It's like a really, very nice rocket. Just all around cool rocket to fly. If you have one of these, give it some air time. So I've flown this. It's been a while since I've flown. I might bring it back out. The Titan's always it's a cool one. Black and white roll pattern. Very nice rocket. Classic Estes kit. They go for a lot of money too if you find these on eBay. They go for a lot. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Be sure to hit the thumb up button. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new, check the past videos. Support the channel. If you don't see links in this description, check the past videos. Check the website. Got some stuff there for you. Some stuff I signed, certain cards and things people like. So it's all good and it's all cool. It's Model Rock 321, and I'm out. This is another Rocket of the Day video.